So dogs on chain is now available for those of you who are here to withdraw your dogs from your dogs account. So there's an official statement from dogs. He said on chain claim are now available. So there are two options available, the fast withdrawal and the slower withdrawal. So if you proceed to your dogs account, you will discover that the dogs chain claim is now available. So when you click on the dogs chain, so it will bring an interface showing you two options. Either you choose the fast withdrawal and also the slower withdrawal method. So if you see the number of days that it will take for the slower withdrawal, which is 3 weeks, then the fast withdrawal, which is 72 weeks. You're going to choose the first one. So you select the first one, then you verify that you are confirming. The reason is this: anyone you choose now is the final. You get, so choose the first one, you confirm, then you verify. Then after the verification, you are going to see this notification down below. Then before you proceed to claim, make sure your wallet is connected to your Tongue Keeper or any Tongue wallet you are using. You can see the option where to connect your wallet at the top. So it's very important to connect your wallet before you proceed to claim it. So if you still have any question or any difficulties, do well to drop it in the comment section. Also subscribe to the channel so that you can be getting updates from us as those updates are coming.